In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an inner section in Elementor. We'll walk through this step by step, starting right inside your WordPress dashboard. First, log into your WordPress account. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the Elementor option. Hover your mouse over it, and from the options that appear, click on the editor. This will open the Elementor dashboard inside WordPress, where we'll adjust a quick setting before adding the inner section. On the left side of the Elementor dashboard, look for the settings option and click it. At the top of this page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Features. Give it a moment to load. Now, scroll until you find the setting called Container. Next to it, you'll see a drop-down field. Click on that drop-down and change the setting to Inactive. This step is important, because disabling the container feature allows the classic inner section widget to be available. Once you've done that, don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom left to make sure your new settings are applied. Now that the container feature is disabled, look back to the left-hand panel and click on Quick Start. Then move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click Edit Site. This will open the main Elementor editor where you can work on your page. Inside the editor, look again at the left panel, which contains all of your widgets. Scroll or search until you find the inner section widget. Once you see it, click and drag it into your page where you want it to appear. As soon as you drop it in, Elementor will automatically add a new inner section with 2 columns by default. This is perfect for creating more complex layouts inside an existing section. If you want to customize those columns, hover your mouse over the inner section until you see a 6 dots icon at the top of it. Click that 6 dots icon. This will open the editing options for the inner section on the left panel. From here, you can adjust the layout, such as column width and alignment, tweak the style like background and borders, and fine-tune the advanced settings including margins, padding, and responsive behavior. Once you're happy with how everything looks and functions, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Publish or Update, depending on whether the page is new or existing. This will save all your changes and make your updated design live on your site.